NAIA, NAIA Terminal 2 has improved significantly since San Miguel took over. More organized. Mga trolleys ready na nila, including the CR. Better. So iba talaga yung bus na privatize. What do you think, Hannah, of the facilities? Including yung mga chairs, no? Well maintained. Bago ata to. Very nice. Somebody's exercising. Going to Japan again 2 days from now. According to Hannah, Terminal 2 has improved significantly. Anong comment mo CR nila? Ha? Wow. Air condition yung room ako din, CR nila. Galing ah.
Alangan naman.
Ha? Alangan? Is that a standard?
Di ba?
Hindi.
For Amphirambo Airport? It should be, but it wasn't for us. Saan pa nila ngayon? Ito international. No one else. Everyone leaves.
Hindi ganun ka kuan yung volume ng passengers nila.